28th of April. These are the charts of the day. Well, topsy-turvy day on Wall Street. The market first up, then down pretty hard, and it rallied back nicely and closed solidly on the day. Mixed, actually closed narrowly mixed after being down quite a bit. So a good close. But let's go over some stocks that I think are moving and maybe breaking out. ADMA coming through a double top today with a spike on volume, trading 10.5 million shares, up 12%. This is breakout. Channel top at 40 is beckoning. I'm going to go with 30 and 35. Boyle, it's not gas, had a 5% update today, or no, 8%, sorry. And big volume traded on Boyle and UNG. This is Boyle breaking out of a falling wedge. And UNG, UNG also breaking out of a falling wedge. Both of them look higher. I think we can get into the 18 and 20 range on UNG. And Boyle's got a shot at in the high 50s and mid 60s. CGON, big with positive drug news today, exploded and backed off, but I think it was a major breakaway volume of almost 10 million for this stock, unheard of, all-time record volume. Taking out a declining tops line and pulling back to it. Targeting now 30 and 33 as high as 38. CRBO, after a explosive 2-week move and then a pullback coil, it's tightened near the apex. Now today it popped a little bit, about 8%. It's a thinly traded stock. If it gets volume, it could fly. Targeting 13 and 16. JMDR exploded, paused for 2 days and spiked, then pulled back for 3 days and turned right around and ran up again today. It was up about 22%. The top of the channel says this stock could be 95 to 100, but I'd like to see, first of all, retest and or takeout 75, 77 in that area. Neon breaking out of a base as well yesterday, on Friday and following through today. My target was and still is a test of 15.5. You get to that high teens. Pony AI exploded today, literally went from 7 to 11.35 and finished at 10.15, up 3.14, 45%. On huge volume of 70 million shares, by far the biggest ever traded. And right at resistance, if we get through here, you might see 13 and 15. TMC, well, the metals company, long base, 3-year base, and a breakout, or at least trying to right here. If we do accelerate through here, 4.75 and 5.5 would be targets. URGN exploded with a spike on 2.4 million, which is big volume for it. Take a look at its declining top line. It went right to it, backed off a little. If we can get up to 12, might be looking at 14 and 16. Wolf, finally, long downtrend. This is formerly Cree, which literally in 21 traded for 142 or thereabout, and just recently traded down to 2. But it's more than doubled. Today's pop took it up 94 cents or 29%. 69.7 million share traded, and it's up against resistance, but I think it extends towards 5.5 and then 6.75. And let's look at some of the hot stocks at thetechtrader.com. Good night, everybody.